Ladies and gentlemen, hi, how you doing? And welcome back with another banger. But today's video is all the way to India. You guys know him. I mean, like 99% people know him. The people who reach the internet, they know Shah Rukh Khan. So my childhood just passed with Shah Rukh Khan's movies, and I love him so much, and I watch every single movie of Shah Rukh Khan. But are we knowing enough about Shah Rukh Khan and how he became the superstar, the legendary? I don't know because I just watch his movie, but I don't know about his life. And I came across to this video, and I think this is about Shah Rukh Khan. And let's see what is going on and what happened and how Shah Rukh Khan became the superstar.
मैं सेंट कोलंबस स्कूल में पढ़ता था जो गोल मार्केट में था। मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं फिल्मों का एक्टर बनूंगा। मैं सेंट कोलंबस स्कूल में पढ़ता था जो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं फिल्मों का एक्टर बनूंगा।
Yes, so
मेरे जो फादर थे बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट, सॉफ्ट स्पोकन जेंटलमैन विद अ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर। इंडिया के जहाँ तक मेरी मालूमात है यंगेस्ट फ्रीडम फाइटर है। आखिर दिनों में उन्होंने नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में उसकी मेस भी चलाते थे, तो मैं आके नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में बैठता था। He just came home one day and he said I've got cancer. मैं 15 साल की उम्र का था जब उनकी फौत हो गई। हमारी बहन की जो थोड़ी तबीयत खराब हो गई, उनको सदमा पहुंचा।
Oh no.
After he died, my mother, the enthusiasm and the energy that my mother had to earn money so that, she could look after us and educate us. और फिर एक play हुआ लेडी श्री राम कॉलेज के अंदर, in which Annie gives it those ones. And then a few years later, we started coming to grips with it. And then my mother died of a similar disease. और मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा दुख ही ये है कि मेरी माँ ने ना मेरा टीवी का कोई क्षेत्र ना मेरी कोई फिल्म कोई देखी, तो उससे पहले वो चल बसे।
वो फौजी सीरियल आया, वो पॉपुलर हो गया। लेफ्टिनेंट अभिमन्यु राय, फिर टेक ऑफ आया सीरियल का उम्मीद, वो किया और सर्कस किया।
So when I got a chance to act
He
in
went
films,
through a lot
it
of
wasn't
stuff,
out of
man.
any creative desire.
It's not
It
easy.
was purely out of the fear of
Became
failure
a
and
legend.
poverty. When my mother died, मैंने ऐसा डिसाइड किया कि मैं एक साल के लिए मुंबई आऊंगा। मेरे मम्मी डैडी की डेथ हो गई है, थोड़ा सा दुख है, जाके आ जाऊंगा वहां से। और फिर
No, that movie was his own like story. It's not about ugly in the face or about stuff like that. It's about inside. It's about the heart. It's about the personality, the charismatic, everything that he. How dare you to say to someone you're ugly? That's not okay.
तुम इतने
And look where he is now.
लंबे नहीं हो और तुम सांवले रंग के हो, तो तुम हीरो नहीं।
मुंबई में दीवानों की तरह स्ट्रगल का रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा था। फिर आया नेगेटिव रोल जिसे कई एक्टर्स ना कर चुके थे।
उन्होंने बोला कि ये सब्जेक्ट बहुत रिस्की है।
Most of the films I signed were discards of better known actors,
This movie.
and the producers could not find anyone else to do them.
When I approached this actor Shah Rukh Khan,
जैसे कहानी कंप्लीट हुई ना तो हमको उठ के दोनों को गले लगाया, बोला क्या बात है, क्या कहानी मैं करता हूँ।
traditionally, the lead is the leading man. You don't go around killing the leading lady.
I don't
Have
know
trials
about this
in those
movie.
days to show the distributors. We were all standing there to see what the reaction was, and people would used to call it Patli Gali in those days. हाँ, अच्छी picture, अच्छी picture. The producer at one point in time was in deep depression. Movie's got a bomb.
This
Nobody's going to give me any money.
Arun
प्रीमियर
Karju?
पे मेरे साथ रतन जैन मेरे
Karan
दोस्त थे
Arjun?
जिन्होंने बाजीगर बनाई थी। उन्होंने पिक्चर देखी, ऐसा मुझे रतन साहब ने कहा कि बात में सुपर पिक्चर है, तू नहीं होता ना इसमें तो सुपर हिट थी ये पिक्चर। और ठीक है ना यार, नहीं लगता हीरो तो नहीं लगता, लेकिन मुझे एक्टिंग करने का शौक तो है, वो मैं नहीं मार सकता, वो मैं करता रहूँगा। No place to live. मुझे किराए का घर लेना पड़ा।
He's a good actor, that's
happen
for
once
sure.
my films come out? Would I make it as an actor? Would I be able to live here?
And Shah Rukh was absolutely so confident that everything was okay.
Because he was an actor. He was fully confident.
ऑटो के अंदर एक दिन हम दोनों जा रहे थे, बोला गुड्डू देख 5 पिक्चरें कर रहा हूँ, छठी तेरी है, अगर चला तो रुकूंगा, नहीं तो दिल्ली वापस।
हम लोग जब थिएटर में बैठ रहे, शाहरुख उतर के नीचे से जा रहा है तो लोग सीटियां क्लैप मार रहे थे। मतलब ये क्या रिएक्शन है, तो अजीब आया, कमाल है।
It broke the.
Still have a long way to go as an actor and as a.
He's my favorite, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
First time I'm getting an award.
I love her. She's so.
This one's for you, Bob. Thank you very much. I'll work hard on this and prove myself to be a genuine superstar. And I will try my best to be here every year. That I make sure that all of you get some smiles when you see my film.
He is the most powerful man in the film industry today.
Forbes have called him one of the biggest movie stars.
दुनिया के सबसे
India's favorite star, an unstoppable living legend.
Perhaps the world's biggest movie star.
Is your competition also younger actors?
I've not come here to compete. I've come here to rule. Compete. I've come here to rule.
That was nice.
I always thought this is my path now, that I'm going to be an action hero.
Shahrukh, he's a really soft and really nice guy.
He is.
But he pretends to be this macho and he likes the action and he likes to, but he's actually not that.
And
He
somewhere,
is.
very quietly,
He is.
without me realizing it, converted me
He's-
to a love.
Romantic and also action. I think so because I watch
Hindi cinema is
and I know him well.
मैं अगर कहूँ हम सफर मेरी अप्सरा हो तुम या कोई परी तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ
He just doing his best. He is the best. But you definitely not feel cringe in his movie.
In this country,
And also Amir
a
Khan.
superstar
Amir Khan is
will
the
only
best.
be that
and
person
I am going to react
who
actually
will
if
be
there is
every
any.
mother's son,
I'm going to react to
every
Amir
sister's
Khan.
brother, every college girl's fantasy.
History.
And he used to always say this, your
This
eyes are
song, man.
that cannot be just wasted on action.
पहले
This is nice movie.
बाबूजी ने कहा तो पारों ने कहा शराब छोड़ नाम तो वही है जो हम
कब लिखा है?
I see in every.
लेकिन मेरे जैसा प्यार कोई नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि किसी के पास तुम जो नहीं जियो खुश रहो मुस्कुराओ क्या पता कल हो ना It is very lonely at the top. जब भीड़ में आदमी चलता है तो साया भी साथ छोड़ देता है. So you have to be lonely when you try to be successful. I'm not confident at all. I'm a very shy person.
Yeah.
I lose confidence many a times in a day.
I know this better.
I'm the best.
I'm not successful,
I am the
but
best.
I
सालों से
have
ऐसा
been
बोलता हूँ,
lonely.
लोग समझते हैं कि मैं arrogant हूँ. It's meant to convince me. In spite of knowing that everybody is better than you, you have to wake up with the confidence कि I'm the best today and I will do my best. मेरा correct वो तो नहीं.
Salman Khan. He's so
लेकिन
cute.
वो अपना भाई है.
ऊपर वाले ने उनको इतनी इज्जत दी है, इतना नवाजा है.
He's a king, and he should be the king. Keep him there.
And that's why I keep going because
That's
the weaker
so
you are, the stronger
sweet.
you can become.
That's so sweet.
And that's
Like
why
a
I
big
keep
brother.
going because the weaker you are, the stronger you can become.
शाहरुख can spoil you as a director. He's constantly trying to improvise.
और उसमें इतनी रेंज है कि वहीं के वहीं जहाँ नरेशन हुआ तो वहीं से सीन्स परफॉर्म करके दिखाने लगा और डिफरेंट तरीके से डायरेक्टर के लिए डिलाइट है.
लेकिन ये 70 मिनट तुमसे कौन
What would happen? What would he do here? What would happen things like outstanding. He's got a very attractive energy. He's very charming.
I love him.
Have you disguised yourself to avoid attention?
All my life I have worked so that I can be recognized.
No, I don't want to have a disguise and I don't want to
Now,
Honestly, passionately wants to do better, wants to do more.
Shah Rukh Khan is my inspiration.
Yeah, I'm a fan of Shah Rukh.
And one of the finest.
who is not fan of Shah Rukh Khan? Seriously, man. He's a great guy.
In whatever way,
he's so
I can
lovely.
make people proud of the fact that they like him so much.
Have you ever planned to work in Hollywood?
I want to leave something in this film industry which is beyond films, which takes our films worldwide.
और फिर उसने अपनी दुनिया खड़ी की अपने लिए इतना बड़ा नाम इज्जत बनाए.
Wow.
अपनी दुनिया खड़ी की
love his
अपने लिए इतना बड़ा नाम इज्जत बनाए.
Whatever I know because of the dignity of women that have surrounded me and taught me something for women. We have a small organization और आप लोगों के साथ जो हुआ उससे बड़ी तकलीफ शायद ही दुनिया में कोई है. उस तकलीफ के बावजूद भी आप लोग जो है इतनी हिम्मत से और इतने स्माइल्स जो हैं आपके इतने प्योर और मुझे इतनी खुशी देते हैं.
He's such a good man, really, man. You are that much popular and you still think about these people. That God gives you such a nice heart for that, man. I love you.
I would like to continue
I
doing
get
work in
emotional
India
again.
and hopefully take Indian cinema to the world. That's the ambition I have.
You own it.
लेकिन मेरी दिल में बात यह है मैं इतना बड़ा सितारा बन जाऊं that I would like the screen to get bigger कि मेरी माँ जो है वो हेवन से मुझको देख सके.
वो कितना नीचे चला
Oh
गया,
my God.
कितनी ऊपर पहुंचा. He's
Look at
someone
these people,
that
man.
you should own.
Oh no! Even Obama.
Go to the movies and applaud actors like
Shah Rukh Khan.
Classic Indian films like DDLJ.
Who's your favorite actor?
What is that?
Shah Rukh Khan.
King of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan.
Giant movie star.
Iconic people such as Shah Rukh Khan.
No, Shah Rukh Khan is an incredible guy.
Shah Rukh Khan.
I mean, Shah Rukh Khan's the biggest, isn't it?
जब बनना चाहते हैं तब मेहनत करते हैं बनने
Yo,
के बाद
yo.
जितनी मेहनत कोई नहीं कर सकता
अपकमिंग जो आपकी मूवीज हैं उसके
What
बारे में
happened?
कुछ बताइए।
मैं तभी एक्टिंग करता हूँ जब मेरे दिल में आता है तो इस वक्त मेरा दिल नहीं कर रहा
2018.
And I wake up every morning with this fear that is there going to be a day when I'll get up and I have nothing more to give? Will there be a day when I'll be completely hollow and empty? And it will happen one morning. It will happen like death. And people will say, he was a very good actor.
एक बार clear मतलब बोलना चाहिए ना कि
क्या बोलूँ अनुराधा dear? To have to say that, sit down and tell people every time that I'm patriotic and I'm an Indian and with great pride, and I will not give proof of this because of some stupid people.
Shah Rukh Khan has not signed any film. Who Shah Rukh Khan is? A star who reinvented himself and came back with a bang? Or a star that is sadly way past his prime?
Mom, Dad, I made it very big and I wish you were here to see this. सिवाय मेरी माँ के कोई नहीं मानता था कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगा और वो हैदराबादी में बात करती थी इन्हों ना बिल्कुल दिलीप कुमार है मैं कहती हूँ ये दिलीप कुमार बना है दिल्ली में उसके आईसीयू में थी मुझे किसी ने कहा कि तुम दुआ करते रहो अल्लाह मियाँ जो है सुनते रहते तो मुझे उनकी फौत के बाद मालूम पड़ा कि उन्होंने कितनी कि मेरे माँ बाप
Mother is just so important, man. If you have mother, you don't understand the one who doesn't have mother. So you just don't love your mother. Most of people I know, they treat bad. They are not nice to their mom because they have. But if you don't have mom, and then you realize, oh wow, I have nothing. The biggest thing in the world is your mom and dad. If you don't have them, you have nothing but an empty soul.
दुख के बावजूद जिंदगी जीना सीख लिया कभी कभी सोचता हूँ आज 53 साल की उम्र में जिंदा होते और मेरी सफलता को देखते तो अच्छा
Time you really need to hear somebody just tell you, you know what, don't worry, I'm here with you. Even if somebody doesn't help you, but just can help you with words like, are you okay? You need something. You know that we are here, or I'm here with you. This kind of words sometimes is the best medicine ever, and that make you feel immediately nice. And to be fair, to be honest, I don't think I have heard a lot, but I have some people, a few people, just saying something. So yeah, in that moment, that was nice for Shah Rukh Khan to hearing that.
मैं यहाँ पर जाने के लिए नहीं आया हूँ एक दिन अपने पैरों
ये नहीं जानते थे कि वो एक पूरी नई किताब लिख रहा था
बॉलीवुड खत्म बॉलीवुड के बॉयकॉट के नारे ये नहीं काम कर रहा है वो नहीं काम कर रहा है
Everybody's scared and confused.
फिल्मों में जब लोगों पे खतरा आता है तो बचाने कौन आता है? बॉलीवुड को बचाने इसका बादशाह ही आएगा ना। The best has been rocked against Pathan and the posters have been burned.
पठान ऐसे भी फ्लॉप होने वाला है लिख के रख लीजिए किसी को हिट कराना है तो आ जाए चैलेंज लगा ले बाइक और मैं नहीं देखूंगा सिनेमा हॉल में आग लगा देंगे
मेरे दुश्मन समझ रहे थे मैं एक गुमनामी का समुंदर है उसमें ही जाके डूब जाऊंगा अभी बाकी मेरी कहानी सारी दुनिया को जो सुनानी है आ रहा हूँ पलट के मैं हूँ पठान
This movie actually came in the best time.
बड़ी खबर पाकिस्तान की फिल्म पठान में रचा इतिहास
बॉलीवुड में बदलेंगे आगे शाहरुख खान
मौसम बिगड़ने वाला है अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध ले
बॉलीवुड फिल्मों के बॉयकॉट का ट्रेंड पठान फिल्म के साथ समाप्त हो गया है ऐसा हवा से थोड़ी ना हिलने वाला शाहरुख खान द किंग इज बैक
नगर के अंदर दर्शकों वाह
Back to back blackball.
बॉलीवुड का कमबैक शाहरुख जी की पिक्चर से हुआ है
आज पठान ने प्रूफ कर दिया कि ऐसे जैसा सुपरस्टार और बड़ा स्टार कोई भी नहीं सकता
I didn't watch Pathan.
बोलो ना
I actually did. I watched Pathan. Jawan. What?
Which film will cross the 100 crore mark? Does all this matter to you?
It's too limiting to give a number. Why 100 crores? Make it 1,000 crores.
What is that? I know that money, I think. But
if you're going to think of 100 crore as a number of your ultimate aim, maybe a year later, we can sit down. It could be the first day collection of the next film.
The only actor who has given 1,000 crore in a single year. Take one and does it go back.
The emperor, everything that people are calling
a lot of money.
I think is less. He's the biggest star India has ever seen.
How would you like us to remember you?
I don't wake up anymore in the mornings thinking how many crores my film has made. I've got everything, much more. Then a boy is sitting on the roundabout in Kamari Auditorium watching cars go by because his father can't afford to buy a film ticket. Can have. You can't take that away.
That's
If I was to explain myself, I think I would explain myself that there's an actor somewhere in
situation,
India. He should be remembered for the fact who has tried, and he tried very hard.
You can take away the awards, the money. You can't take away the fact that I became Shah Rukh Khan.
The man himself. I have to watch it. I am going to actually react to that. But first we have to reach to 10,000.
दिनों रात लोगों के होते होंगे मतलब शेरों को समाना होता है
Wow, this was a good video. This was actually a nice video. Thank you so much. Wow, that was actually a long video, and I know this video is really long, but it's up to you guys. If you love Shah Rukh Khan, if you enjoy it, so you don't care about the time as I don't. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to tell somebody you love. And I have nothing to say because it's already long enough. I already said what I need to say, and I love Shah Rukh Khan, and I just keep loving him, and he's nice guy and best movie star. Yeah, see you in the next video. Peace and love.